All right, so let's move right into another one-day only value. My goodness, how many have we had in the show? Is this the third one? The third one. Wow. All right, now we've got a, as I like to call it, a screaming good deal. Because I don't want to scream at you. 900 of these are already gone. 900. That'd be 100 shy of 1,000, in case you were wondering about the math. I have meatball sauce on my arm, so you know what? All bets are off in this last 50 minutes. Everybody buckle up. All right, so this is Tara Tescher, who is the president and CEO of Temp-tations for, did we decide it's?
Did we decide? It's 17 years.
17 years.
Yeah, we didn't decide.
Well, I decided because I was trying to remember.
Hi, everybody.
So it's 17 years on QVC.
Yes, yes, with Temp-tations. Yes.
Temp-tations, exactly.
Yes.
So what we have for you is a fantastic, it's good to see you, Angel. You
Good to see you too.
I love your hair.
Oh, thanks.
So this is Old World of Floral Lace, 13 by 9 Baker.
Yes.
Comes with the portable lid, a tote rather. But inside is like a clown car.
I was going to say you affectionately call it a clown car, but you remembered.
I do.
I got to say, first of all, I love that we've incorporated kind of the best of everything we have here at Temp-tations, starting with, of course, our insulated tote that's embroidered 360 degrees, no matter which way you're looking at that great tote. And then the brains are also on the inside. You have that silver therm lining, so this is going to help keep colder things colder longer and hot things hotter longer, just like our amazing stoneware. But look what's all included. Not one, but two deep dish liddits, David. And the reason why, that was a huge customer request. Many of you love to make your cookies, you're serving on there, you love everything. We included your spatula with the silicone handles, these amazing terry mitts that so many of you love, great recipes, 6 to get started, and the 13 by 9, our single most requested, most used baking dish, and that wire rack, all included in this set. It's incredible.
It's an amazing set, and we call it the clown car because you open this lid and things just keep coming out of it.
True.
You get so much in this offer, and already over 1,000 of these are gone. We're very, very, very busy. So use automated ordering, QVC.com, and mobile apps. Best way to get through.
And we have new patterns.
Now, we are much more limited in floral lace than we are in the old world.
Okay.
What's that? The blue in front of Tara? I have 750 left, and that's most popular.
Wow.
Just in time for St. Patty's Day, I've got shamrock.
And your bags will match, everybody. Same color, same design.
7 dozen in shamrock. That sells out. We don't see it for another year.
Is that new today?
I believe that's one of the new ones.
So. That and egg hunt, I think.
Shamrock and egg hunt, yes. All right, here is your shamrock. This is pumpkin, $220 in the pumpkin. This is fall, $250 in that fall. Then this one is festive. 4 dozen.
I love that we
festive.
have all of the seasonal.
And guys, look at the inside of the festive.
Love.
It's red and green.
So sweet.
Isn't that pretty?
And the tote's red, in case you're wondering.
Okay, oh good. All right, then beneath that is the green. Then we've got is that black?
That's the black. You and
Fewer
I
than
always
200
do
black.
the same thing.
This one is eggplant. Here's your red, 400 red. Here is the cranberry, 120. Then I've got light blue, 180. Say it with me.
Chocolate.
7 dozen in the chocolate, and then we've got it for you in spice, $330. Now, if you are interested in Old World, we have a brand new one to choose from today.
Stop it.
Oh,
Will you
nope,
look
not
out
anymore.
What?
Egg hunt just sold out.
See,
Gone.
you guys are very smart.
You're very quick.
From the beginning of the show when we talked about it,
Got it.
you purchased it. Amazing.
All right, so we've already lost one of our Old World colors.
Okay.
I think we're going to see a lot more of that happening. All right, here it is in the eggplant. Here's green, the color that started it all for Old World. Here is Springfetti, $280. The blue, one of our most popular in Old World. Then I've got it for you in confetti. This is what Tara collects. Next to that is the spice, $180. Beneath that is the black, $400. There's my color, the brown. And then I've got red, and finally cranberry. All of this coming together. Tara, for folks who are just tuning in, can you show us again what we're getting?
Absolutely.
Because this is extraordinary.
Yeah, and if you're new to Temp-tations, all of our pieces go in the oven up to 500 degrees, the dishwasher, the fridge, the freezer, the microwave. We've incorporated the best of the best, starting with our beautiful tote. It's the largest tote we've ever created because it holds all of these great pieces. Embroidered on the outside, your tote will match back to whatever stoneware color you're picking up. We gave you 6 great recipes to get started. We included the embroidered terry mitts that so many of you love to come in and out of the oven. We gave gave you one of our silicone spatulas, and then not one, but two of our deep dish liddits. This is your cookie sheet. It's your cutting board. It's your serving platter. It's the trivet for under the baker. It's the lid for on top of the baker, which I love. A stoneware lid, imagine that. And then, of course, we have our 13x9 4-quart capacity, single most requested, most used baking dish, and of course our wire rack, which makes it so easy to bring it to and from the table.
Tara, we've now taken orders for over 2,200 are gone, and we've sold out of 2 more choices.
Wow.
Shamrock is gone.
Oh,
Here we go, Ryan.
Shamrock.
Thank you, buddy. And then also Festive is gone. All right.
When you think about what you would pay just for a plain 13x9 baker at retail, it's amazing when you think the fact that these are all individually hand painted. You're getting the system that we call Temp-tations with the wire racks and the liddits and everything else, including the tote. You probably pay that for the tote.
So if you want floral lace blue, $4.50 left. Floral lace in fall, $2.50. Floral lace in pumpkin,
Love.
$1.90. I'm going to keep these 2 autumn ones together. And then I've got floral lace green, black, 6 dozen in the black.
Wow.
Here is your eggplant. Here's the red, 300 red. Here's cranberry. 2 dozen left in the cranberry. How come the most limited ones are on the bottom? All right, and then we've
Keep us
got
on our toes.
Exactly. We've got light blue, 100 left in the light blue. Chocolate. 5 dozen left
love
in chocolate.
chocolate.
Here's your spice, 300 left. Down in Old World, this is eggplant. Beneath that is green. This is springfetti, 150 left in springfetti. Here's blue, 550. Confetti down below. Moving over to spice, 150 in the spice. There's black, 350, and brown. And then finally we've got it in red, 400 left, and finally in cranberry available. This is 3 easy payments of $11.91. 3,500 are gone. Tara, if you, oh wait, what's gone? Oh, okay, I need some help, guys. All right, hang on 1 second. Cranberry and floral lace is gone. Stay right there. And black and floral lace is gone. All right, thank you, sir. Got him? Okay. So, wow. Buckle up. It's going to get busy. So, this is all I have remaining. You can check QVC.com or you can go over here because Tara would very much like to show you some food. How many are gone now? 4,000. One thing please use QVC.com and mobile apps. This price goes away end of day today or when the item sells out, whichever happens first. Another important point to make. If you're buying this on your Q card today, ordinarily you get 3 pay. Well, that'd be a wash because we're offering 3 pay. Today it's 6.
I love that.
So if you use your Q card on this purchase today, it's 6 easy payments, but you can only get that 6 easy pay until end of day today. If you don't have a Q card yet and would like to apply for one, today would be a very good day to do that.
It would.
Because if you apply for a Q card right now, get approved, make a purchase. Not only will we give you 6 pay on this, but we will also give you a $40 account credit.
I love that.
That you may use toward a future purchase. But if you look at the cost of this, $35. You're getting $40 on your new. Oh. Well, then this just didn't end up costing anything at all.
That's incredible.
With about $5 to the good.
I love it.
All right. So how about some tuna noodle casserole?
Look at this.
Does it get more comforting than that?
And here's what I love, and this is always the wow for you, right? The fact that you can go ahead and snap that plastic storage cover
Right out of the oven.
on there, right out of the oven, and then take it wherever you want to go. They're BPA free, they're dishwasher safe, so I get to where I'm going, I take it over the river and what do you say? Through the woods?
Over the river and through the woods.
Yep. And then when I get to where I'm going, I pop that lid off, I take it right out, and we're good to go.
Okay, more updates.
All right, let's do it.
Here we go. Over 5,000 are gone. We're going to start with blue. Blue floral lace, I have 4 dozen.
That's amazing.
Okay. In the floral lace pumpkin, 120. Floral lace fall, 180. In the red, 6 dozen. Eggplant, 400. Green, 400. Light blue, gone. Okay, thank you, Brianna. Then I've got chocolate. 3 dozen left in chocolate.
I was late.
Spice, 230. Oh, floral lace blue just sold out.
Oh boy.
Okay.
Okay.
Here we
No
go.
problem.
Thank you.
Justin.
Buckle up, boys and girls. This is what happens on a one day only on In the Kitchen with David and Temp-tations. Boom, gone. All right, so here it is in eggplant. Old World eggplant. Old World green. Springfetti and Old World. Oh, this just sold out. Okay, Springfetti's gone. There you go, Justin. Thanks,
And
pal.
Springfetti, you know, we carry that only this
Only
time of year.
seasonally.
Yeah.
Only seasonally.
Yeah.
Here's the Old World blue. Old World confetti, 300 blue, confetti available. Here is your spice, 100 left. Black,
Wow.
200 brown. Brown's available. Then the red, 300 and cranberry available. Okay, back to floral lace. Pumpkin 100, fall 150. Red, gone. Okay. All right, kids, everybody hang on. Okay, Ryan, thank you. Brianna, is that coming back on? Let me have him. Thank you, dear.
Thank you, guys.
Here's what you get in
Perfect.
pumpkin.
Hopefully it'll last.
You'll need this.
Yep, thank you.
Okay. Eggplant, 350. Green, 300. Chocolate, gone. Okay. Thank you, Brianna. Brianna, that matches your sweater, boo. See that? Oh, yeah. And then how many in the 180 left in
Wow.
spice? Whew, are we okay on Old World?
Oh, we are. Okay.
Okay, let's go
You
back to the water.
all right? You all right?
I need some water.
I'll carry you through.
Let me get-
So really quick,
me wet my whistle.
what I love about this is it's kind of the best, all incorporated into one. Starting with, of course, our embroidered tote, and I love that we're going to brag on the pumpkin a little bit. So your tote will, of course, match. And then I love to say it's the beauty of what's inside. The 13x9 single most requested, most used baking dish. 2 of our deep dish liddits, which was a customer request of yours. The silicone.
So not one, but 2.
2 of them, which is fantastic. So 2 cookie sheets, 2 cutting boards, 2 serving platters. You get it. And then, of course, the embroidered mitts match perfectly with the little pumpkin, the handle on the silicones pumpkin. Everything's so stinking cute. 6 great recipes and the snap-on storage cover. Everything all included, and it all nests inside the tote.
I think we've
This
got
is
an
a little
extra-
haphazard.
We have a little extra cover in here, too. Only one cover, right?
Only one cover, correct. Yeah.
Okay, this one is
It was
trapped.
strapped in. No, it's strapped in. See?
Oh, thanks.
I mean,
Okay.
oh, we're just going to
I
put that
can't
there.
seem to get anything to go under the counter today. All right, there we
I
go.
love you.
All right, so what's our story, Glories? 8,000 sets are
Wow.
gone.
Thank
okay?
you, everybody.
I'm sorry? Most of our colors are still available in Old World.
Okay.
If you want floral lace, I have eggplant, fall, and green, no spice.
Ooh,
Spice
this is
gone.
pretty together, though. Is pumpkin gone, too?
Pumpkin is still, oh, pumpkin's gone.
Oh, okay.
Only fall, eggplant, and green left in floral lace, and we have the other colors available in floral lace. Somebody has had a birthday in the last couple days, haven't they?
I did.
Hey now.
Hey
So
now.
good to me.
Here,
Come
I'm gonna
out here,
turn it
my
so the camera
darling.
can see
Our
everybody
Tara
else.
had a birthday a couple days ago.
On Friday.
On Friday.
my
Our
gosh.
candles are not lit, however.
That's okay. Imagine
Yes.
that they are.
Okay, cake
Lisa,
fail.
come closer. That's not good. That's too
What are
far
you
back.
doing here?
Come a little closer.
Do we have a